All right, again, a variety of ways of doing things. Let's write this down. 4/3, x minus 5. Let me start over again because it's I jammed that in there. So 4/3 x minus 5 equals minus 3. One thing I'd recommend to do is just, add 5 to both sides because it's relatively simple to do. You would get 4/3 of an x is equal to, well, minus 3 plus 5 is just 2. Then what I would recommend is to multiply both sides by the reciprocal of the variable's numerical coefficient, which would be 3/4. Again, we're multiplying both sides by 3/4. Well, it's pretty easy. On this side, the 3's cancel, the 4's cancel, and you're left off with x. We're left over here, well, the 2 goes into 2 once, goes into 4 2 times, and you're left off with 3/2. Right? So I'm going to say my answer is 3/2. And I see that right over here. That's one way to do it. Let's talk about another way of doing it. Before I do that, I want to point out that Sage also says 3/2. So there's another way of doing the problem. And again, your mileage may vary. You may say, I want to do it this way or that way. Be comfortable with whatever you're doing, by the way. So it's going to be x over here, minus 5 equals minus 3. Multiply both sides by the LCD. There's only one fraction, so the LCD is just 3. And what do you get there? This gets distributed across these two terms over here. Let me write that down for you. 3 times 4/3 of an x minus 3 times 5. And what do you get over here? Minus 3 times 3. Let's go through it. This is minus 9. This is minus 15. And this 3 cancels, and we're left off with 4x. Then what do you do? Add 15 to both sides. And what do you get? You get 4x is equal to 6. Then what do? Divide both sides by 4. And you get x, because 4 divided 4 is just a factor of 1, by the way. And 6/4 is going to be 3/2. Also, if you want to write a decimal down, I'm not opposed to it, 1.5. Thank you.